Overview of sustainable nutrition. Sustainable nutrition is an approach to eating that promotes the well-being of both individuals and the planet. It recognizes the interconnectedness of human health, environmental health, and social justice, aiming. Ginger is a root that is jam-packed with nutrients beneficial to your health. It contains vitamins such as vitamin C, B6, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These elements are essential in boosting your immune system and keeping your body to nourish people while preserving the environment. By prioritizing plant-based foods and sustainably sourced animal products, it fosters a food system that's equitable and resilient. Sustainable nutrition, it's a lifestyle choice for a healthier future. Let's embrace it together. Strong. But, did you know that ginger also aids in digestion? It's a natural remedy for nausea and upset stomachs. Additionally, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with arthritis and muscle pain. So next time you're feeling under the weather, consider adding a little ginger to your tea or meal. You'll be surprised by its powerful health benefits.